Growing plants hydroponically in clear glass vessels is not just an aesthetic design trend. It is a highly functional and incredibly therapeutic way to maintain a lush indoor jungle with almost zero maintenance. By transitioning these highly resilient houseplants from dense dirt into pure water, you create a striking minimalist visual display showcasing an intricate network of glowing white roots. This soil-free method permanently eliminates the risk of hidden root rot caused by suffocating potting soil and transforms daily plant care into a simple 2-minute peaceful ritual. Whether you want to decorate a dark office cubicle, bring vibrant life to your living room, or simply enjoy a cleaner environment, this guide will give you everything you need. Let's dive into the 5 incredible houseplants that thrive indefinitely in a simple glass vase. Plant 1. The Indestructible Pothos. We begin our list with the undisputed champion of aquatic cultivation, the magnificent Pothos. If there is one plant seemingly designed by nature to thrive indefinitely in a glass vase, it is this incredibly resilient trailing vine. Native to the shaded understory of tropical rainforests, the Pothos naturally evolved to send out robust aerial roots that aggressively search for moisture in the humid air. You take a cutting, making absolutely certain to include at least one small brown root node located along the stem, and submerge it in clean water. An amazing biological process occurs. It rapidly transforms those dormant nodes into highly efficient, bright white aquatic roots. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you will witness a beautiful explosion of fresh roots, filling your crystal-clear glass vessel. The Pothos is incredibly forgiving, cheerfully tolerating a spectacularly wide spectrum of lighting conditions. It flourishes in bright, indirect sunlight, but stubbornly survives in dim, windowless offices illuminated exclusively by fluorescent bulbs. Because of its vigorous growth rate and aggressive nutrient absorption capabilities, the Pothos is the absolute best plant to use if you keep a desktop aquarium. By resting the long roots directly in your fish tank, the Pothos acts as a powerful natural biological filter, pulling harmful nitrates from the water and keeping your aquatic pets healthy. Plant 2. The elegant Lucky Bamboo. Next on our list is a plant deeply steeped in ancient tradition, profound symbolism, and striking architectural elegance, the iconic Lucky Bamboo. Despite its deceptive common name, this beautiful plant is not a true bamboo, but a species of Dracaena. It is highly revered in traditional feng shui practices for its unique ability to bring harmony, positive healing energy, and abundant prosperity to the home. Unlike many standard houseplants that merely tolerate sitting in water, Lucky Bamboo actively prefers a purely aquatic environment, making it an essential addition to any aesthetic, zero-soil botanical setup. To create a breathtaking magazine-quality display, simply place the thick green stalks in a heavy glass cylinder and securely anchor them upright using a base of smooth dark river stones or polished natural quartz crystals. The most critical secret to successfully mastering Lucky Bamboo care lies entirely in your water quality. This highly sensitive plant intensely despises the harsh chlorine and heavy fluoride commonly found in municipal tap water. Using tap water quickly causes its beautiful green leaves to develop crispy, dead brown tips. To keep your Lucky Bamboo looking flawlessly vibrant and emerald green, always use purified, distilled, or bottled spring water. With just a simple water change every 2 weeks, this magnificent living sculpture will gracefully elevate your desk for years. Plant 3. The Prolific Spider Plant. Moving on to number 3, we have the playful, gracefully arching, and highly rewarding spider plant. Known worldwide for its slender, ribbon-like leaves that feature beautiful, contrasting green and creamy white variegation, the spider plant brings a dynamic, cascading texture to your indoor water garden. What makes this specific plant truly spectacular for pure water cultivation is its highly unique and generous method of reproduction. As the spider plant matures and becomes happy in its environment, it sends out long, cascading stems, carrying tiny, fully formed baby plants, affectionately referred to as spiderettes or pups. These adorable baby spider plants already possess tiny, pre-formed root nodes at their absolute base, making them the ideal candidates for immediate and completely effortless water propagation. When setting up a baby spider plant in water, meticulous precision is key to your success. You must use a narrow-necked glass bottle or a specialized glass propagation cone to elevate the plant. The ultimate goal is to allow only the very bottom of the root base to touch the water, while keeping the main leafy crown completely dry. If the leafy crown becomes submerged, it will rapidly rot and pollute your pristine water. Once properly established, the spider plant develops incredibly thick, fleshy tuberous roots that look highly striking and sculptural through clear glass. Plant 4. The vibrant arrowhead vine. For our fourth plant, we are looking at an incredibly versatile species, bringing a stunning, vibrant variety of colors and complex leaf shapes into your pristine water garden. The arrowhead vine, scientifically known as syngonium. While pothos and spider plants primarily offer classic shades of green and white, the arrowhead vine is readily available in breathtaking hues of soft pastel pink, creamy milky white, and even deep, moody burgundy. Its delicate leaves begin as very distinct arrow shapes in their youth, and slowly mature into complex, multi-lobed foliage as the plant ages. The syngonium is a phenomenally aggressive and enthusiastic rooter when placed in a purely aquatic environment. A single cutting will quickly push out a dense, beautifully intricate web of bright, healthy white roots that are mesmerizing to view through a minimalist clear crystal vase. Because of its vibrant coloration, the pink and variegated varieties of the arrowhead vine require slightly more ambient light than a standard green pothos to maintain their striking pastel hues. Placed near a bright, east-facing window where it receives gentle morning sun, this plant thrives hydroponically for years. Its naturally bushy, dense, and upright growth habit makes it an exceptionally eye-catching centerpiece for a minimalist dining table or an aesthetic workspace where soil simply does not belong. Plant 5. The dramatic peace lily. Finally, at number 5, we transition from trailing vines and grassy foliage to a plant that offers large, dramatic, deeply veined leaves and stunning, iconic white floral blooms, the deeply elegant peace lily. While almost always sold in nurseries as a heavily potted, soil-bound plant, the peace lily possesses an absolutely incredible ability to adapt entirely to a bare-root aquatic lifestyle. Converting a mature, soil-grown peace lily to a purely water-based environment is a deeply satisfying, highly transformative process. You must carefully and patiently remove the plant from its plastic nursery pot and gently massage the dense root ball under a stream of lukewarm running water. Meticulously wash away every single grain of dirt until you are left with a pristine, completely bare root system. Once this exceptionally clean plant is placed in a large, elegant glass vase filled with fresh water, the peace lily instantly transforms into a luxurious architectural decor piece. It is also the ultimate communicator plant. If the water level drops too low, its dramatic leaves will significantly droop, explicitly telling you it is thirsty. Within hours of refilling the vase, it will magically stand tall again. To encourage its iconic white flowers while living exclusively in water, add a single drop of liquid hydroponic fertilizer monthly. Final thoughts. Transitioning your indoor garden away from the messy world of dirt and into the clean, serene, and crystal clear realm of water is truly one of the most rewarding decisions you can make for your home. Whether you choose the virtually indestructible trailing pothos, the elegantly structural lucky bamboo, or the dramatically blooming peace lily, you are actively choosing a lifestyle of peace, pure aesthetic beauty, and absolute minimal effort. You are consciously creating a living botanical environment that deeply heals and calms the mind every single time you look at it. If you found this comprehensive guide helpful, inspiring, and calming, please take a moment to subscribe to Aquatelier. Our ongoing mission is to help you easily build beautiful, self-sustaining botanical spaces with absolute zero stress. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch today. Keep your living spaces vibrant and soil-free, and I will see you in the next peaceful video.